Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Just a real quick video. I'm going to be showing these in my truck loadout video, the live at 5:30 tonight. But a long time ago, deal of the day, they put these KLEIN tools ratcheting wrenches on sale for $40 a set. They have metric and SAE. I'll go ahead and open up one set of them here. Doing it one-handed. So here's the SAE set. Normally they're 80 bucks. They're back on sale for $40. And this one isn't a deal of the day, but I'm not real sure how long they're going to be on sale for. And I want to thank Moser 482. He's the one that brought it to my attention. So again, I think you can click on that shop link in this video, or I'll have some links in the description, or you can go to Lowe's.com and check it out yourself. But I know some of you weren't able to get it back when it was deal of the day, and now it's back on sale again. So I just wanted to throw it out there to you. Hope it's useful. Stay safe. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.